guys, Ninja here. Welcome to Final Fantasy 2. I know that I recorded Final Fantasy 1, only just one series. I'm very sorry. I just feel like it's pretty too late to do the first one. I just think it's way too late. So now, and I'll be right back. Oh, hold on, dudes. Alright, I got my earbuds in because my headset's a bit messed up. And it goes to my PlayStation 3. So, let's get on with playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2! New game. This picture I give a new life. Come be the part of the new piece of Pretty Fast Pizza. What will go wrong? $150 sets to be called supply of 155 Fast Bear. Uh-oh. 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 Here we go. Different than I expected.
Hello? Hello?
That noise.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kink. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot seeing you as an endoskeleton without its costume on, and...
Oh, it crashed. It crashed, dude. Oh. Let's go. I'm muting the call. So what does this red button do? I'm Freddy! Oh, that is out. See, I got this kind of headphones. But anyway, dudes, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this series. I really want to start doing Five Nights at Freddy's too. Anyway, but smash that like button down below. That would be very, very, very appreciated. So, I guess we have to sit here and wait and do nothing. Good music. Good music. Are any of y'all gonna come out? Where's that little kid? Oh, it's one boy over. I should see. Maybe. Yeah. What's in there? It's right here. My face is coming up, Bonnie. There we go. Wait, what is it? Oh, oh. What? Hold on. Where's that little nitwit at? Where are you two, Bonnie? Where are you, Bonnie? Yeah, I think your name is Trey. Name's Trey. Then wonder what the Freddy hand is used. Oh my god. Chica. Listen, Chica. I kissed you on my screen before. Don't make me come in there and kill you. god, what's that noise? What if she's in there? Oh my god. Spider-Man. Dudes. I'm scared, dudes. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, shoot a like, and I'll see you dudes later. Bye bye.